Namaste everyone, I am Beena. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Health in Your Hands, wherein I would like to share with you some health tips and yoga. I feel you will find this beneficial to have a healthy and happy life without falling sick much often. So stay tuned till the end of the video and let's get started without any further delay. Do you experience body pain when you get up in the morning? If so, this is because you are not stretching your body properly. When you wake up in the morning, after opening your eyes, you should stretch your body to the maximum. I will show you 2 yoga asanas, performing which you can relieve from such pain that you can perform on the bed itself. Inhale, stretch your hands upwards, legs downwards with navel as the center. Stretch to the maximum as on opposite directions, as if 2 wrestlers are pulling you from either side. Hold out for some time. Exhale, come back to the normal position. Repeat the same process on opposite direction with hands pushed downwards and legs pushed upwards. Hold on for some time. Release your body and come back to the normal position. Fold your legs from the knees towards the chest. Stretch your hands on both sides along the shoulder, or you can also fold your hands from the elbow. Inhale, exhale, bend your knees towards the right and neck towards the left. Left ear touching the ground. Squeeze as if you are squeezing a towel. Hold on for some time. Inhale, come back to the center. Now repeat the same process on opposite direction. Exhale, bend your knees towards the left, neck towards the right, right ear touching the ground. Hold on for some time. Inhale, come back to the center. Now touch your feet on the ground. Bend your knees to the right. Hold on for some time. Come back to the center. Exhale, bend your knees towards the left, neck towards the right. This is the second pose of Markatasana. Hold on for some time. Come back to the center. Stretch your legs downwards and hands downwards. Take a turn towards the right or left, whichever is convenient for you, and with the support of your hands, come sit on the bed for 15 to 20 seconds. Pray to God for giving you such a wonderful and promising day ahead. Rub your palms together. Feel the energy on your face and all of your body. Now you are ready to hit the floor. On the floor, inhale, stretch your hands upwards, interlock your fingers, stand on your toes, hold on for some time. To balance on this position, there are 2 tricks. First, fix your toes firmly on the ground. Second, gaze on one particular point. Thus, you will be able to hold on as long as you want. Tadasana improves your concentration power. Exhale, come back to the normal position. Benefits of these asanas are, it will strengthen your bones, muscles and joints. It wards off your laziness. It increases your positivity and productivity. In the case of growing children, it improves their height. So whenever you get any body pain, stretch your body to the maximum. Otherwise, your body will get jammed, as in the case of automobiles. When they are not in use, it will get jammed. The reason why you should not get up immediately from the bed is that when you are in a lying position, your blood circulation is very slow, and when you get up immediately, the heart won't be able to pump blood that fast and you may get some heart problems. Always wake up before sunrise and maintain a regular time for waking up, doing yoga, eating and sleeping to keep yourself strong and energized. One should never start the day checking the electronic gadgets. This will hamper your positivity and increase the stress level. Follow these tips to keep yourself fully charged, full of zest and energy. That's all for now. We will see you soon with a new topic. Until then, keep smiling and be happy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. If you find this helpful, please do share with your family and friends. Thank you so much. Wish you all good health. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.